everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do my nails. I've already done my thumb a couple of days ago, but I've actually just received some more polygels from Wish. So I think I'm going to test a new shade. So this is the one I received, Rose Pink. So I'm not really sure. That looks very similar to the... I don't remember. Also received this nude. And the nude pink. I'm pretty sure this is the one I have now on my thumb. To be completely honest, I think I received the wrong shades. I actually searched for this one, pink, and I got nude pink, nude, and pink rose. This is the shade I searched for. And also I received a white and some clear. I was a bit irritated because these clear ones didn't come in plastic, so it actually had leaked in the package, so that sucked. But the rest of the shades came in plastic, so I ordered some more of the nude pink, and this isn't really the shade I wanted. I wanted this pink one. It's gorgeous. I really want to see how this white looks like. Okay, just white. And the clear one, it looks a bit frosty, but I don't know. I think we're going with this nude one. Let's try that. And maybe we test the clear one on 1 or 2 nails with some glitter powder or something, because I really want to see how it looks on a nail. But I'm going to prep the nails and then I decide the rest. So I actually forgot to record the most important part of the video when I'm doing the nails. They turned out amazing, they're beautiful. This is actually a couple of days after I did them the first time, but I thought that I would wait with the last part of the video until I broke one of the nails so I can redo them and show you the actual process. And now I broke 2 of them. I hit my hand pretty hard, and this one actually broke really badly, even my own nail under it, so I will not touch this one, but I'm going to redo this and show you how I made this. So let's do that. So first of all, we take one of these forms and just try to apply it on our own nail. Now apply a base coat from Cosselia, I don't know. Also from Wish or AliExpress maybe. Yeah, I just apply a thin layer of this. And put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So when I did them the last time, I just used this pink shade 3. But this time I want to test this clear one, so we're actually going to do 1 layer of this first, just to check out well, the shade, if it's frosty or just clear. I have my slip solution here, a brush. It leaked in the package, as I said before, so yeah. I'm just going to move this around. I'm just going to put that under the lamp as a first layer, and then we do a second. Just take a bit more. And this is the wrong hand for me. I'm sorry. Okay, it was really difficult with this clear gel, so I'm just going to put this in the lamp, and then we're going to use the pink one. This looks pretty awful, so we're going to apply the nude number 3. I'm just going to put that in the lamp, then we're going to file and put on some gems and maybe a last layer. So that's how it's looking. It's a bit patchy, I don't know what happened, but we're going to put on a top coat and then see the final result. And this is the top coat we're going to apply. So let's put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so that is the final look. Now I feel like this looks very ugly, but except from that, I'm happy. So this is the second video I do with Wish Polygel, and it's amazing. I'm no nail technician and I have no education about nails, but I love this and I will definitely continue to use this. And I am going to try some nail decor stuff soon. I can record that as well and upload it. So maybe a day ago I actually received these gems, so I think I'm going to do a video with them in the future. We'll see. I hope you like this nail video. It's a very short one, I know, but yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you don't want to miss my future uploads, you can click the bell and turn on the notifications. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!